when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma in my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. CHEFHITDICE, yeah, you my right. 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 CHEFHITDICE, yeah, you right. CHEFHITDICE, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have 2 thighs and 2 drumsticks. We'll go ahead and hit these bad boys up with some seasoning, and then we're gonna toss them in the air fryer. So the first season I'm using is some chicken bouillon. We're gonna do a teaspoon. Then we're gonna use some chili pepper. Give it a little kick. Garlic and pepper. Some paprika for that beautiful color. Alright, we have our all-purpose flour. We're going to use the same seasoning. Alright, chicken bouillon. We'll give it 2 teaspoons. Boom. Chili. Season to your liking. Garlic and pepper, a little more. I want to mix that in. All right, so we have 1 egg and some milk right here. So if you go ahead and dip, dip it in there like that there. And then we'll coat it in the flour. Make sure that flour get all up in that chicken. And we're gonna take a drumstick, same thing. Alright, now we're about to spray our air fryer. We'll go ahead with some of this soybean oil spray. Alright, we got that chicken over there sitting. We'll also hit the chicken with the spray, but we're gonna let that sit for like another I say 10 minutes. We're fixed to go ahead and heat this up for 5. We'll make it happen. Alright, Fee, go ahead and spread. Just spray both sides. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and place our chicken thighs in there. Drumstick. We'll let it do its thing. We're gonna put it on 375 for 14 minutes. After 7 minutes, I'm gonna turn it. Alright, we have our Rice-A-Roni chicken and garlic. I have some butter and some oil on there. So you want to toast your Rice-A-Roni. Get a nice toast. Make sure every piece of rice get its issue. Go ahead and flatten it out like so. See how it's browning? Nice little brown. And now you just gotta go ahead, add your cup of water to it. Then a little seasoning pack, or a little pack that comes in the box. You put a top on there and turn your fire down real low. Let it do its thing. This takes a little bit of oil and like half a stick of butter. That's all. Alright, so that's how we looking right there. It really took 22 minutes. Want to make sure everything done inside and out. So I left it in there for 22 minutes. After 11 minutes, I flipped it over. Boom, the other 11 minutes. 22 minutes right there. That's how it's looking. It's crispy. So now what I'm supposed to do, I'm going to put a little twist to it. My little twist. Alright, this is my little twist right here. We finna put some Chick-fil-A sauce on there. And then I'm gonna throw it back in the air fryer for like another 3 minutes. And we'll get this good food on a nice plate. Boom. Alright, so here we go right here. If you don't know about it, try it out. Chicken bouillon, I say one teaspoon. That's all you need, not 2, just 1. But that's how we're looking right there. It's delicious. We have our Chick-fil-A sauce on there. We have our Rice-A-Roni, chicken and garlic. Your boy did his thing right here in this good kitchen. Hope y'all enjoyed my little video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice.